What if the first humans to leave Africa weren't Homo sapiens, but another species? Around 1.8 million years ago, Homo erectus roamed East Africa. Their name means upright man, showing their modern posture. They stood tall, with larger brains than earlier humans. Homo erectus may be a direct ancestor of later humans. Some scientists say Homo ergaster, living in Africa at the same time, was the African version of erectus. Life was dangerous. At the swamp's edge, a young female bends to drink, unaware of the giant python hiding nearby. Her survival depends on the group's strength and quick thinking. After the deadly encounter, the Homo erectus group retreats to their shelter. They bring back the python as a source of food, carefully preparing it over a fire. Homo erectus stood between past and future. They were taller, stronger, and their brains, around 900 to 1100 cubic centimeters, allowed them to plan and cooperate. Some of the group tend to fire, showing early mastery of this vital tool. Cooking meat not only provided warmth and protection, but also nutrition, shaping the path of human evolution. Together, they share food and strengthen social bonds, a crucial survival strategy. As night falls, the Homo erectus group rests, recovering from the day's struggles. At dawn, they rise again, ready to continue their journey across East Africa. Their hands and minds, honed by tool-making and cooperation, guide them through rivers and grasslands, showcasing early human innovation. Every step strengthens their survival skills and social cohesion, laying foundations for future generations. As they wander the vast savanna, the Homo erectus group encounters distant hunters pursuing wild buffalo. They continue toward the wetlands, observing others grappling with ancient crocodiles, a stark reminder of nature's dangers. Despite these threats, they press on, learning to coordinate, track, and hunt agile prey like antelope. Some scientists hypothesize that population pressures drove these early humans to migrate, seeking fertile lands and abundant resources. These movements marked the beginnings of long-range travel, shaping patterns that would eventually carry Homo erectus far beyond Africa. After a successful hunt, the Homo erectus group faces an unexpected challenge. Another group approaches, eager to claim their hard-earned prey. A tense confrontation ensues, testing their coordination and courage. Though they manage to defend their catch, this encounter illustrates the pressures of growing populations and overlapping territories. Competition for resources likely influenced migration patterns, pushing early humans to explore new areas. These dynamics reveal not just survival strategies, but also the social intelligence and adaptability that helped Homo erectus thrive across vast landscapes for nearly 2 million years. Homo erectus may have followed large herds of grazing animals, gradually moving into new territories. Periods of increased rainfall transformed deserts like the Sahara and the Arabian Peninsula into fertile grasslands, creating green corridors. These routes provided water and food, making long-distance travel feasible without crossing harsh, arid zones. When climates shifted back, these corridors disappeared, isolating migrating groups. Such environmental changes shaped migration, survival, and social development, highlighting the extraordinary adaptability of Homo erectus as the first humans to explore beyond Africa. One hypothesized migration route led Homo erectus northward through the Levant, a land bridge connecting Africa to Asia and Europe. Along this path, they faced predators, changing climates, and rugged terrain. Yet, their tool-making skills, social cooperation, and experience with fire helped them survive these dangers. This northern corridor may explain how erectus populations reached parts of Europe and Western Asia, revealing their remarkable adaptability and pioneering spirit. By studying fossil sites and ancient tools along this route, scientists reconstruct their journey and glimpse the challenges these early humans overcame. Archaeological sites in Africa and Georgia reveal hearths and charred bones, evidence that Homo erectus controlled fire. They used it to cook food, stay warm, and protect their group, marking a revolutionary step in human evolution. Beyond the northern Levant route, some researchers hypothesize that Homo erectus might have migrated south, crossing narrow land corridors and the Bab el-Mandeb Strait. These paths were perilous, with strong currents and limited resources, yet they offered access to fertile lands in Arabia and beyond. Following herds of herbivores, these early humans could gradually expand their territory, demonstrating adaptability and pioneering spirit. Such journeys highlight the risks and ingenuity required for Homo erectus to explore and survive in new environments, paving the way for future human migrations. After reaching the Bab el-Mandeb region, Homo erectus faced harsh realities. Narrow straits, unpredictable tides, and limited resources tested their endurance. Every step required careful planning and teamwork, showcasing how these early humans relied on intelligence and cooperation to survive in a perilous, unfamiliar environment beyond their homeland. Venturing onto the open sea, Homo erectus crafted simple rafts, braving towering waves and prehistoric sharks. Their courage, teamwork, and ingenuity allowed them to survive this treacherous journey, marking another milestone in human migration. This daring adventure reminds us of the resilience and adaptability of our ancient ancestors. If you enjoy uncovering the story of Homo erectus, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment to join us on more prehistoric explorations.